So this question related to thermodynamics was asked in JEE Main 2012. That is, a reversible expansion of an ideal gas under adiabatic and isothermal conditions is shown in this figure. Which of the following statements are correct? तो चार स्टेटमेंट्स दी हुई हैं, इनमें से हमें देखना है which of them are correct. ओके, तो ये दो प्रोसेस दिए हैं हमें. That is, one is isothermal from state 1 to state 2, another is adiabatic from state 1 to state 3. Okay, अभी first statement is T1 equal to T2. We know that this process from state 1 to state 2 is isothermal, so T1 will be equal to T2. So we say that first statement is correct. Now we will see the second statement, that is T3 is greater than T1. Now the process from 1 to 3 is adiabatic, and for adiabatic process, if we write the first law of thermodynamics, then delta U will be equal to W, because Q equal to 0 for adiabatic process, as there is no heat exchange between system and surroundings, so Q equal to 0, so delta U equal to W. Now W is negative because work is done by the gas during expansion process, so W being negative, your delta U will also be negative. That means internal energy of the gas will come down when we move from 1 to 3. That means T3 will be less than T1, because internal energy of the ideal gas depends on temperature only. So if internal energy comes down from 1 to 3, then temperature will also come down. That means our T3 will be less than T1. So this statement is not correct. Okay, now let us see the C statement, that is W isothermal is greater than W adiabatic. We know that the work done is given by the area under the PV curve. So the area under the isothermal curve is more as compared to that under adiabatic curve. So W isothermal is greater than W adiabatic. So C statement is also correct. Now let us see the D statement. Delta U isothermal greater than delta U adiabatic. Delta U adiabatic, we have just calculated that delta U for adiabatic is negative, but delta U for isothermal will be 0, because there is no change in temperature, and the internal energy of ideal gas depends on temperature only. So delta U for isothermal process will be 0. So we can say that delta U isothermal will be greater than delta U adiabatic, because delta U adiabatic is negative, so and this is 0. So we can say that isothermal, for isothermal, delta U will be greater than that for adiabatic. So D statement is also correct. So we can say that A, C and D are correct. Thank you and wish you all the best.